Oh man, how's it all going, folks? And welcome back to the Land of Grills. And yeah, I promised you to do some more cooks on the Caveman. that thing right there, that high heat cooker, 1500 degrees. I can't confirm the 1500. My thermal only goes up to 1000, and we were definitely over 1000. So I've been calling it 1200, but it gets hot. One of the things I first said when I did that first cheap steak cook, because I didn't know how it would turn out, was this would be pretty cool for pork chops. And pork chops is what I got today. So it's a nice cold day. Let's get this thing fired up and let's go take a look at those Porterhouse Pork Chops. Yeah, I know. We just take a look at the chops. Well, let's take a, just fired it up and you can see how she gets really hot up there. And that's your heating source way up there. And then you've got 4 racks, 3 that are relatively close together in spacing and one down low. And then your drip tray down here. Folks, a lot of people ask me where, I can't find this on Amazon. Well, like I said in the first video I did, this is not on Amazon. It's you got to go to a website called www.menards.com. It's actually a local hardware store chain here in the Midwest, and they're the ones that are selling this. So you can't find it on Amazon. I'll leave the Menards link down below. But now let's go take a look at those Porterhouse Pork Chops. You can see the temperature glowing there, folks. People are wondering, is it adjustable? And you can see the knob back there, and it does adjust from high to low. I really have only used it on high. Now even our drip tray down there, let's see how warm. Let's see if we can get a temp on that. So our drip, oh really? The drip tray is over 1000 too? There we go. So toward the front of the drip tray, you can see it's doggone hot. You get to the back and then it gets 900 or overheat, which is, that means it's over 1000. So it's just impressive how this little Caveman grill gets stinking hot. So I'll tell you what, let's enough of this. Let's get the pork chops on. All right, so they've got this nice holder, and like I said, I'm gonna go on the 3rd setting down. I did spray a little canola oil on there so it wouldn't stick, but you can hear the sizzle already. And we'll give you a couple look-sees as we proceed. I'm going to flip these because it only cooks from the top down. All right, folks, so it's been just a little over a minute, and you can hear the fat already popping in there. And she's burning up a little, starting to, not burn up, but starting to get some color toward the back, or a little burn mark back there. So, like I said, I'm just figuring this thing out. So, I don't know if I just need to, I can back down the temp, or we can just keep going the way it is. I'm just going to keep going the way it is. Huh. All right, 2 minutes. Let's take a quick look at it. Oh, will you look at that? That is pretty freaking amazing. So I'm going to put this on the lowest level, and then I'm going to turn you off, and I'm going to give these a flip. So I'm going to give them a flip. Stay tuned. All right, so I just gave them a flip, and I flip-flopped them too. So I took the front one, put it in the back one, put it obviously is a lot hotter toward the back than it is on the front, but it's amazing how this is cooking. All right, there's not even another 2 minutes, folks. Let's take a quick look. Look at how she's browning up. Oh man, I tell you what, that is impressive. This thing is, I tell you what, I'm getting to like this. The more and more I use it, it's only the 2nd time using it. But it really is impressive how fast it cooks. All right, folks, one last look before we play it. Well, this thing is working awesome. And as I'm cooking here, I'm thinking of all the other opportunities for this reverse seared steak. So because this is so hot and can do, literally 30 seconds, and you got a sear, and it's a complete sear. This would be awesome for that. There's so many other things that I'm thinking about trying on here. I was even thinking about French bread pizza on the low rack, having a long loaf going in there with French bread pizza on there. It would be like 10 seconds. It's amazing. So keep going, give you a look-see once they're plated up. All right, so there it is on the Caveman extreme temperature tabletop gas grill, folks. That was like 4 minutes for these Porterhouse pork chops. I'll tell you what, they are looking mighty fine. Let's go right down the center here. And plenty juicy, plenty done. Yeah, I'm still learning. I probably probably overcooked them, to be honest with you. Take a taste test here. Pretty awesome. Folks, I'll leave a link down below to Menards if you want to check out one of these things. Like I said, the beefer is one of these things that I've been looking at for years. And they're 400, 600 bucks. Some of these are over $1,000. This was 120 bucks. And for that price, I couldn't pass it up. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, can't say it enough, folks. I do appreciate you watching. Thank you.